Thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to be talking about this amazing juice that I have right here. No cooking, it's just juice. It's raw. I know, it's raw. It's great for you if you've gone through the holidays and you've had too much good, rich food and you just need something that's it's a cleanse and it's good for you. It's going to fill you full of energy. Just wait and watch. Super simple. Follow me and I'll show you how. All right, let's get our juicer put together. This is super simple. You're gonna put it in the main container, and then it's the rotator, the filter, and finally the crusher. I don't think that's the official name, the crusher, but that's what I call it. Super easy to put together and super easy to clean. This is what I love about this juicer. Now, a big key for ginger, use a spoon. Super easy to take the skin off. Beets. All right, so both beets and apples are super sweet. I use 1 beet for this recipe, but I have used 2 to 3 and others. They're just great for you. And I have 5 apples I'm going to slice, and I'm going to do this really quickly so you don't have to watch me slice apples. You don't need to see that. Oh, no. Yeah, I'll do celery too. This is...
Again, I'll do that tomorrow or maybe later. I just want a little bit there. How much do you want? I ran out.
You need more light, Dad? You need more light?
No.
You don't?
No.
What if you had more light?
What?
What if you had more light?
Have. The more I can select from it. I love the way this juicer works. It squeezes all the juice out of the vegetables. It's just amazing. And I wanted to show you how this works. I mean, it is super simple to rinse and to clean. Since we use this so often, we don't use a lot of soap on it. We just rinse it and we put the next vegetable right through. Okay, now with that out of the way, super, like I said, easy, easy, easy. All you need is apples, ginger, and a beet, right? So what I have in this juice is 2.4 pounds of apples. And I use Honeycrisp because Honeycrisp for me, I don't know, it just has a sweeter taste to it. It has more of round flavor. I've had a combination between red and green like Granny Smith apples, which are a little sour. But this is what I like. About a thumb of ginger and 1 beet. The beet that I use is about 1 pound in weight. And it is it's gonna produce 2 to 2.5 glasses like this. This is a 16-ounce glass, so we're gonna have 32 to 40 ounces worth of liquid of juice afterwards. I like to drink about 1 to 1.5 glasses of this juice on an empty stomach. So in the morning, I know you're thinking, what? Before coffee? Yes, before coffee. But it's so good for you. Make this before coffee. Wait about, I don't know, I wait about 10 to 20 minutes and then I start having my cup of coffee, and this is so good. You're gonna enjoy it. I want you to type below, tell me in the description if you've done this, if you're a juicer, all right? Thank you so much for joining, and a happy, happy New Year. Bye. And of course, mi cocina is tu cocina, and in 2021, my cocina will still be your cocina. That is right. Bye.